The first game we're going to make here on the course is a simple tennis game, stylized to look somewhat like the classic arcade game Pong. We're going to have the ability for us to play as a single player game facing against a computer controlled opponent, or to play a multiplayer game with anyone else who wants to play with us along the way. So I'm just going to show here our single player game will feature us controlling this paddle on the left here, trying to bounce the ball back and forward and get it past the other object, or the other paddle on the other side. And every time the ball goes by, we'll get a score, and our race is to get as much score as possible, and when you reach a certain score, the game is complete. So, for example, if I just lose to this guy a couple of times, player 2 wins. Nice and simple like that. I'm going to go back to the main menu. In multiplayer here, we'll have it so that our players control both the left paddle and the right paddle here, using our keyboard to move around within the world. And again, it's just whoever gets the most score wins the game. So if I just let the red one win, I'm not very good at letting someone win apparently, we'll just let the other one win. As you can see, every time the ball loses, it flicks back to the other side, and you lose the game by losing a set amount of points. So now that we've seen the game in action, let's go ahead and start building it.